Okay, day one for bridge. Here is the review material you'll learn today. Again, this course is all review. Nothing in this entire semester, school year, should be brand new. Okay, so the emphasis is on integers. Don't know if y'all have learned at least what the symbol is for integers, just like a Z with a double spine. And then rational numbers. You're thinking, where did the Q come from? It's a quotient, so I can have a fraction. Okay, so quotient means fraction. So if we have the decimal of 0.75, well, that's 3/4, right? If I have 0.666 repeating, that's 2/3. Okay, so any number that is a pretty decimal, so let's say 0.12, that can turn into 12 over 100. You simplify that further, 6 over 50, 3 over 25, right? So you can make a clear, pretty decimal or like just like that, or make it into a fraction, okay? So it's a quotient. Integers are just the whole numbers, so anything that has a decimal of just 0.0. So -5, you can add 0.0. -1, 2, 1,192. I don't know, okay? So your assignment today is adding and subtracting same signs and different signs, okay? So an example would just be 3.55 plus a -2.01. Okay, so I see that they're different signs because on the left it's an automatic positive. We don't have to write it, but a positive and a negative, which means I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. Well, 3.55 is bigger than 2.01, so it's going to stay positive. So now I just have to subtract. So 3.55 minus 2.01, okay? I'm left with a positive 1.54. Okay, so you're going to practice some of those things, and then there's a few on adding fractions. So it's not super difficult. Again, it's all review. So I did give you an example of if you have 2 and 3 over 5 minus 3, 1 over 5. Okay, I'll just keep them the same denominator to make it simpler. I need to convert so that they're improper. So I have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 13. So 13 over 5 minus 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, so if I again were to even switch this around, let's start this right here. Negative 16 over 5, positive 13 over 5. Okay, so now, same kind of thing. What is a 16 minus, since I'm having to subtract, so I could have done it either way. I just went this route. 16 minus 13 is 3. Keep the denominator. Well, 16 is bigger than 13, so sorry. So I'm going to keep it negative. So you're just going to have some of those problems today. So very simple, easy day one.